Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare tube versus tubeless gravel bike setups. We'll dive into the core distinctions between these two popular options, examining how each impacts your ride. We'll cover crucial aspects like how well they resist punctures, the comfort and grip they offer, their weight implications, and the maintenance involved. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding to help you choose the ideal system for your gravel adventures, ensuring a more enjoyable and efficient ride. When it comes to flats, tubeless systems shine with their self-sealing capabilities, often fixing small punctures before you even notice. Tubes, however, are prone to pinch flats from impacts, a common issue on rocky gravel. Tubeless allows for much lower tire pressures, typically in the range of 20 to 40 psi, providing superior grip and a noticeably smoother, more compliant ride over rough terrain. Tubes usually demand higher pressures, around 35 to 50 psi, which can feel faster on pavement but less forgiving off-road. Weight and rolling resistance are critical for performance. Tubeless systems often offer a slight weight advantage, especially when using lighter tires, as the sealant can weigh less than a traditional tube. A standard inner tube can add 150 to 200 grams of rotational weight per wheel. Crucially, tubeless eliminates the friction between the tube and tire, leading to lower rolling resistance. This means less energy is expended to keep moving, making your rides more efficient and less fatiguing, particularly noticeable on climbs and longer distances. Maintenance and cost are important considerations. Setting up tubeless initially can be a bit more complex, often requiring specific components and a good air source. Sealant needs regular replenishment, typically every 3 to 6 months, to remain effective. For roadside repairs, a spare tube is usually simpler for a tube setup, whereas tubeless might require tire plugs. While the initial investment for tubeless can be higher, including valves and sealant, the reduced frequency of flats and associated repair costs can often lead to long-term savings and fewer interruptions on your rides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.